Hey there peeps, so what's going on? This is Jeff aka Nomad Viewer and I'm back once again into a video. So before we begin, make sure you guys click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for you to stay notified about my latest videos about cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. And on top of that, you can also follow my official social media channels that are displayed here on the screen or in my YouTube description. Okay, so guys, in the past 2 months I made a couple of videos about digital gold stable coin. So the first one is all about the review and the second one is how to use the marketplace of digital gold. Okay, so right now I'm going to share to you those exchanges where you can trade gold. Okay, you can trade your gold into Bitcoin, Ethereum or so, or in USDT. Okay, so before that guys, for those of you who haven't known about digital gold stablecoin yet, of course, you can check out gold.storage. Of course, this is their official website, so they are backed with physical gold, of course, so you can securely store and make payments in gold. And of course, this is the conversion. Of course, one gold is equals to 1 gram of gold, of course. This is all about the digital gold stable coin. So it's an ERC20 token backed with physical gold. And you can also check out their video right here, and you can check out their advantages, and of course you can learn their features. You can see right here the latest news, and of course if you want to buy sell gold, of course you can use their marketplace right here. In my previous video about digital gold, I did publish a guide on how are you going to use their marketplace, of course, especially in using this one right here. And of course, speaking of the exchanges that are currently supporting digital gold stable coin, where you can trade them into Bitcoin, Ethereum or so, of course these are the three: Cryptex, Livecoin and BitForex. Of course, you can see right here in the description, so you can buy or sell gold and other cryptocurrencies without limits and restrictions on Cryptex. So they're working on with the various payment systems, cash and electronic payments. And when it comes to Livecoin, of course, they are a modern, safe trading platform for accessing cryptocurrency exchange markets with very simple interface and low trading fees. And with BitForex, they are a leading and most trendy exchanges with millions of traders from all regions of the world. So they are a highly reputable, complete platform for trading, and of course a true one-stop digital asset service platform. So to prove that, guys, that gold is indeed trading in these exchanges, so let's go now to one of them, which is Cryptex. So you can see right here, this is the official website of Cryptex. So this is how you're going to trade your gold. Of course, you can see the buy orders and the sell orders of the gold right here. Okay, so in order for you to start doing that, you need to sign up an account with Cryptex, deposit any amount, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or if you have any digital gold stable coin, you can deposit it right here and start trading. Of course, since this is clearly stable, of course, guys, wow, this is going to be an amazing thing. And you can see the last trades right here. Of course, since it's stable coin, of course the liquidity right here is quite strong, of course. And what about this exchange? So this is Livecoin. So gold against Bitcoin. So this is the last price. So this is the 24-hour high, 24-hour low, and this is the 24-hour volume of gold. So of course, guys, not bad. Of course, there is liquidity, of course, and this is the trading activity of digital gold stable coin. So this is where you buy, this is where you sell. Of course, these are the current prices as of this day that I'm recording this video. Of course, you can see right here the traders are very active here. Okay, and you can see the market history of digital gold stablecoin here in Livecoin. And finally, we have the BitForex. Okay, so you can see right here they have three pairs, such as gold against USDT, gold against Ethereum, and gold against Bitcoin. Okay, so right now the 24-hour change, of course, Bitcoin has the most number of increase. So let's say I'm going to go for USDT. So I'm going to click on this one, and then you can see the order book right here. Of course, we expect that it's quite stable, of course, so it's worth trading. It's worth try to trade all of these, of course. And let's try to check this out, the gold against Ethereum. Of course, you can see right here the 24-hour turnover. Wow, it's amazing. It's amazing right here. The numbers are so amazing. And of course, gold against Bitcoin. So they have like 7% increase. Okay, wow, it's amazing. And guys, since they are on 3 exchanges, of course, you can do arbitraging. So if you're a trader, of course, you know about arbitraging. Of course, like want to profit by doing arbitraging on various exchanges. So if you want, of course, you can monitor the price in any of these exchanges, and you can do arbitraging. Of course, this is a very interesting token for me, because it's stable and as and it's liquid as well. Of course, it's worth checking it out, guys. Of course, because it's quite stable. Okay, so once again, guys, if you want to trade digital gold stablecoin, of course, it's either you can go to Cryptex, Livecoin, or BitForex. Okay, so anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video. So I hope this video helps you a lot, of course. And if you think that this video really helps you in any way, especially when it comes to trading digital gold stablecoin, kindly don't hesitate or think twice in sharing these to your crypto friends out there. So for more information about digital gold stablecoin, just go to gold.storage right here on the screen or in my YouTube description. And one more thing, peeps, for you to stay notified about my latest videos about cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, all you have to do is to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And not only that, you can also follow my official social media channels that are displayed here on the screen or in my YouTube description. Okay, guys, so this is all for now. Thank you so much. My name is Jeff, aka Nomad Theory, and see ya on my next video.